Okay, here we go with another classic question. This is comparing the luminosity of two different stars. Why don't you pause the video, have a go, and when you're ready to watch and see my explanation, and then you can compare with yours. Okay, so as I say, we're comparing luminosities. Okay, we're first going to establish the first luminosity, L. Okay, we've got star X with surface temperature there. We're going to use our Stefan-Boltzmann law. We're just going to tweak it slightly to include the area of this thing. Okay, so we've got L is equal to sigma AT to the 4. That's sigma 4 pi r squared. Probably could ignore the 4 pi here because remember it's going to come into the next equation. So r squared t to the 4. Now we're interested in star Y. Okay, and star Y has luminosity 4L, and it also has double the temperature. And we want to know its radius so that we can compare them. So we're going to first start off by saying that L dash, which is the luminosity of the star Y, is 4 times L. And we're just going to put those numbers in. We're going to say that sigma 4 pi. Again, we're going to cancel these, so it's going to get cleaner in a second. R dash. R dash is where we're going. We're trying to find that number. And we know that the temperature is double, so I'm just putting 2t to the 4, and obviously that power of 4 applies to the 2 and the t, so we're 2 to the 4, t to the 4. What's next? Well, we're going to do a little bit of multiplying out. We get a 16, that comes from the 2 to the 4. Okay, we're going to have sigma 4 pi r dash squared t to the 4. Okay, and then we're going to compare. All right, now you'll notice we're taking here 4 times L is equal to this. All I've done is taken my value of L here, which is sigma 4 pi r squared t to the 4, and substituted in. And I've got a factor of 4 at the front and a factor of 16, but I've got other things that are going to start cancelling. Sigma 4 pi t to the 4 are all going to cancel. So we're left with 4r squared is equal to 16r dash squared, and then I'm going to rearrange that to give me r dash squared is equal to r squared over 4. In other words, if we square root them, r dash is equal to r over 2. As I say, really commonly used question when we're talking particularly about the luminosities and temperatures when we're looking at the Stefan-Boltzmann law.